How to fix TikTok hashtag limit 2025, and if this is even changeable. Now, this isn't really a problem. This is usually just a feature that TikTok added. So they recently rolled out a change where posts are capped at 5 hashtags. So if you look at the posts that people are doing, yeah, so you can take a look. They pretty much only have at least 1 to 5 hashtags, and this pretty much works for everyone, but it depends on your region as well. But it's usually capped from 3 to 5 relevant hashtags per post to avoid spammy signals and algorithmic pushback. So if you go ahead and do a little post over here and go to the next, there isn't really much you can do since this is more of a platform level change. So rather than a bug you can fix yourself, your best approach is to adapt your hashtag strategy rather than looking for a workaround. So you likely can't override the platform's hashtag limit rule if it's being enforced globally, and you shouldn't rely on simply adding more hashtags as well, since it may also harm your reach or trigger the algorithmic suppression. So unfortunately, there isn't really much you can do about this feature. It's more of a feature instead of a bug or an error or something you can technically fix. But hopefully the information of this video can help you though in some way. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all.